Hello everyone and welcome to Brawlhalla. I'm gonna say it's very fun. Let's do a couple of matches. Maybe we can win. And also love you, Ella. Hope everyone on this channel had a nice happy new year. Shit. Oh. Alright. Apparently, he stopped my SIG, but it still did damage to both of us. SIG's time! Oh, it's accidentally did that the other way. If that wasn't the other way, you would have got hit again. Probably might be red. I doubt that, but still. Health be red, boy. Alright, I walked into that one. Okay, just a 6 spammer, so I'm going to copy him. What? Cunt! Sorry for the language. I also got 200 quid to see Anna. Yay. So it's a lot. Actually, 230 quid to see Anna. You stay down. Alright, you got me there. Ha 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 ha! Oh, run SIG. God damn it. You should use that SIG at the sides, and the other one, this one, this plane, use it any time. I want to hit this one. I'm just going to wait all the way here. Yes, got it. What? I want to survive this so much with just this health, but not even dying. No can beat the great old powerful Harry. You tried to suicide bomb yourself. Is this going to be like every punch is going to get like across the map? Oh. Whoa. Surely her defense must be not that bad. But my defense is 6. It's pretty average. Her defense is... where is she? I haven't unlocked her yet, or haven't used the points together. Oh no, I have. Got her. Oh, 3 defense. No wonder she's so bad. Like, the lowest defense you can get is 2, and like after 3 hits, you're one shot and you're dead. Wow. Oh, that skin looks good. Oh, pick random. Not very random. I got the same one 3 times, and one of them I wasn't recording to practice. Yeah, I really think that is random. Actually, no, I didn't get this one last time. I did a little recording and it was shit, so I had this one. All of them, always random, and now constantly quit getting it. It's not very random. Like everyone, here's a little thing. It doesn't always work, but it does kind of work if you select like the one you want to use, and then. So I thought someone was talking to me in the game. I don't know you can actually do that. But their SIG makes like sound like the same bra. It's so weird. It sounds like somebody's talking, but it's actually it's the SIG that guy's using. Oh, that's weird. Anyway, if you select a character and then pick it random or do that twice, you would Wouldn't be random, you'll just get the one you selected, usually. Oh, this SIG just sounds like somebody speaking. It's so weird. You what? Bruv. Bruv! Oh, I dodged that bitch. He's one shot, I'm one shot, but he's more one shot. Lasagna! I swear, if I died then. No, my recoveries! Oh, yeah. Very immature, just read a book, right? Even though you're worse than me, you just had a... I run out of recoveries to use, and... I swear, if I lose this... See, we're both one shot. It's just... He just was... Oh, good cheer. Yeah. How do you like that? How do you like those apples? Okay, that was a good one. You got me. That tag. What? That was centimetres of actually doing damage. I meant to use a SIG when I hit up. You got me there a bit, bro. Oh, if that only worked, I would have teleported away from him and... Shit. See, he's not better than me. By absolute. See this SIG here? You can use it as a quick dodge and attack. It's pretty good. He's got me on almost red, but he's not going to win this. Okay, if I lose this, I am going to not play Fortnite for a month if I lose this, because I feel that confident I'm going to win. No Fortnite for a month, that's a big responsibility. But it's never going to happen, because I am ultimate. I'm epic, nobody can beat me, unless you are a tournament winner this game, then yeah, you probably could. But apart from that, everybody will never beat me. Understandable. Hey! Bye bye. Come on. Guess I'm still playing Fortnite. What? I did less damage than him, but I killed him. Oh no, that's not damage, that's points, my bad. I don't know what happened there. Oh shit. Anyways, end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and shit so I can make more videos. Shit.